Hola y'all, que paso? Today we are doing a DIY facial. I'm so excited. I am using my favorite esthetician's product, Glowing with Key, in this video. She's so adorable. She sent us this box if you ordered the facial, and it has those toothpicks in there. What are those called? Popsicle sticks in there for you to scoop out the product, those facial wipes. She also put one of those like ice rollers, and I put that in my freezer and forgot to take it out and show you guys. But yep, she numbered everything and also gave us a paper. Yep, that paper right there to put basically everything that we needed to know on how to do this facial correctly. So let's get into it. That is her information. I will put that information below. First things first, I'm going to go wash my hands because you do not want to touch your face with dirty hands. So I'm going in with my oil cleanser right now and getting real deep into there. I'm using my steamer, y'all. I am using just a regular steamer, not like any fancy, facial steamer. Getting real deep into my skin, doing this for a little bit. Want to make sure I cleanse my skin thoroughly. Okay, so now I am going in with the facial wipes and just pat drying my face, making sure that my face gets as dry as possible after I have cleansed it with the oil wash. So yeah, just make sure you get that in real good. But y'all, look at that glow. Do y'all see my skin? This is why she goes by Glowing with Key, because baby, look at my skin. So now I'm gonna go ahead and so a part of this facial, I am doing a little bit of dermaplaning. This is my first time ever doing this. From my understanding, dermaplaning is for you to get the excess skin, like dead skin, and any facial hair you might have off of your face. I've never done it. Look, my good sis Kiera might have done it in my facials and I didn't notice because I go to sleep during my facials. But yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So I'm going ahead and I'm putting coconut oil on my face. I heard that you can use Vaseline, but I'm just using coconut oil. So if you see, I just got a razor, one of the eyebrow razors from the hair store. I went ahead and I put alcohol on it just to make sure it was clean, honey, before it touched my face. So yeah, if you see, you can see all of that dead skin / hair starting to gather together on my face. It's low-key kind of nasty, but I do definitely see the difference as I was doing it. So I do see why people do it. Will I do it every facial? Yeah, I'm not quite sure yet, but I did like the way that my skin felt the next morning. It felt really smooth. And I also heard it helps for makeup application. I don't put on makeup, so I don't got them problems. But yeah, I guess you can do it for those reasons too. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through the other side because I'm pretty sure it's just kind of plain and simple. You get the picture, and just do the exact same thing on the other side of my face. So I will see you guys once I am done. Okay, so I am back. I am now going in with my toner pads, and I'm also going to use the steamer too, just to make sure it is getting into my pores or whatever. I just like the way it feels to have the steamer on my face while I'm doing it. Plus, majority of the time I'm getting my facial, she usually has the steamer going, so all of those products can get deep into the pores like they're supposed to. So yeah, you're just gonna see me just keep going around my face and making sure that I'm getting everywhere and I'm not missing any spots. Okay, so I'm done with that, and now I'm going to go with my favorite rose water spray. Oh my god, guys, I swear by this spray. Like, I don't want to use any other spray that's not rose water spray, I promise you. This stuff is so A1. So you're just gonna see me here just trying to like fan dry my face as much as possible. It kind of takes a long time because I put a lot on my face. Not really, but just a little bit. So yeah, here I am just trying to fan my face and make sure it's completely dry. So now you're going to see me go in with one of her enzyme masks. I'm just making sure I apply it everywhere on my face and smooth it out so it's not clumpy and, you know, doesn't do what it needs to do properly. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm also going to speed through this because this is very like detailed of how like I'm trying to make sure I get it everywhere on my face and trying to avoid my nose ring because I just got my second nose piercing last week, so I don't want to, you know, get that on there and end up getting an infection. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and speed through that, but you're just going to see me applying this mask thoroughly to my face. Okay, here I am. It has been 5 minutes of me doing this with the steamer, and now I'm just going to go ahead and use one of the facial wipes to wipe off all of the mask completely. It's so funny because before this is my first time doing the facial at home, and I was thinking, I'm like, okay, when you're getting a facial, it's not like they're rinsing off your face with water, and it's because they use these facial wipes. It just makes so much sense. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, just making sure I don't miss any of it and I'm able to get all of the product off of my face. Okay, so that enzyme mask is all off of my face, and now I'm going in with one of her targeted masks. She gives you 2 targeted masks. She might tell you to use both. I just use one of them just for video's sake, and went in with that. This was a very like light mask. It wasn't too much. The other mask was the Cocoa Rose mask, and I use that mask often, so I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and go on with this one. So that's what I did there, is just went ahead with the mask and made sure I put that again thoroughly all over my face. I did not want to miss any spots on my face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get my steamer and put that on. I think I left this mask on for about 5, 6, 7 minutes or something like that. Yeah, just want to make sure that mask is getting into your skin as much as possible. So keep it on for about 5, 10 minutes, something like that. But yeah, just gonna go ahead and speed through again, just so you guys are sitting there watching me just sit with that mask on my face. Okay, I am back. I just got done rinsing my face off from having that targeted mask on my face. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I dry my face with the facial wipes as much as possible, and make sure I get everything that I can, just so I know everything is off of my face completely. So just a heads up, after the targeted mask, you're supposed to go back and do the steps all over again. I did not, just because it was late, but in the future I definitely will make sure to do that. Kira, do not kill me. So I'm going in with my moisturizer just being vitamin E oil, because honey, my dark marks have been going crazy. She put a moisturizer in there that I'm going to use when I do it in the morning or do it like during the day, but because I was just about to go to sleep, I just went in with the vitamin E oil. So yeah, that was it for this video, but you cannot forget Carmex. I don't know about y'all, but after my facials, my lips be so dry. But I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe so y'all can see more videos, and I will see y'all later.